Hey, I want to provide a quick note about the actual analysis you're writing, whether you're doing option one, two, or three. In all of those cases, you're still going to do an analysis of how propaganda works or an analysis of how certain mediums work. And so this logic right here applies to all assignments. Um, Basically, the point I'm trying to make is that all of you are by default building an argument. Okay, and so I've provided here, there, you can see it, a generic thesis template. And I'm not giving you this template so that you write the exact template. I'm giving you this template so that you understand conceptually what's happening in these analyses that you're doing. So the template reads like this. An analysis of blank shows that blank uses blank in order to blank. Ultimately, such use of blank suggests blank. Um, and the reason I've set it up that way is because there's two big things in there. Number one, there's the close analysis that happens early on. That's where you're looking at mediums, or that's where you're looking at propaganda. And then there's these larger conclusions that you draw from that. So let's take a look at a specific example, and I hope that that clarifies. An analysis of British Petroleum shows that BP uses a variety of propaganda strategies like transfer and glittering generality in order to convince the American public to continue to support its operations in the United States. Ultimately, such use of these techniques sets a dangerous precedent, as it allows BP to get away with potentially damaging practices just so long as it can convince the public that everything is fine. And so we have specific analysis in terms of the techniques, transfer and glittering generality, and then we're drawing some larger conclusions. Similarly, you guys will be doing the same things in your analysis. Also, notice that when you guys are doing these analyses, it's probable, quite likely, that you may need a little bit of outside research in order to support some of the ideas that you have. I've created a research materials folder below, and you can feel free to take a look in there, although I don't suggest that I have all the answers, right? Depending on what you guys investigate, you may need to go find some other sources. As always, I hope this helps. Take care.